Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is your physics class. If you remember, in last lecture we discussed about what is energy and what are various forms of energy. And in various forms of energy, I told you there is solar energy, there is light energy, there is chemical energy, there is kinetic energy, there is potential energy, and there is mechanical energy. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about what is kinetic energy. We are going to explain kinetic energy in detail, and we are going to calculate its mathematical expression, that is kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square. So let us start. So we are going to discuss about kinetic energy. So what is kinetic energy? It is the energy possessed by body due to its motion. So it is the energy possessed by body due to its motion. So when any body is in a sort of motion, it will have kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is actually related with the motion of an object. It is related with the motion of an object. When object comes in a sort of motion, it will have kinetic energy. Let me give one example here. A moving car has a kinetic energy. A running water, when I am saying running water, that means water which is flowing. It will have kinetic energy. Why so? Because it is in a sort of motion, and because of this kinetic energy, it can move another object, like it may move the log of wood, it may move the stones, it may move even boat. So a running water has a kinetic energy. A moving fan has a kinetic energy. So when object is under a sort of motion, it will have kinetic energy. So what is kinetic energy? Simple it is. The energy possessed by body due to its motion. When object is in a sort of motion, it will have energy associated with it. That energy is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, the expression for kinetic energy, that is kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square, where m is the mass of an object, v is the velocity of an object. So I can define a kinetic energy on the basis of this equation also. What I can say, it is the half mass of an object and the product of square of its velocity. So on the basis of this equation, I can define kinetic energy like it is product of half the mass of an object and square of its velocity. Half the product of, I can write here, half the product of mass of an object and square of its velocity. So what is m here? It is mass of an object. What is velocity? It is velocity of an object by which it is moving. So if you have mass of an object, you have velocity of an object, you will be able to calculate its kinetic energy. Let us draw this mathematical expression. How we are going to derive it as mathematical expression. This is, I'm saying roughly, kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Let us derive this expression. Why from this equation comes? Let us start it. Let us here's a block of wood having a mass of m, and on this block of wood a force of F acts in the forward direction, and this block of wood is moving in a horizontal direction on a frictionless surface, that is, there is no friction at all. So it moves from point A to point B. This is point A, this is point B. Because of this force, it got displaced from point A to point B through a displacement of S. So initially block was at rest, so its initial velocity is 0 meter per second. So let us say its final velocity be v, so its final velocity is v, and the acceleration produced during this, let that be A. So force has been applied, there is a displacement, so there is a work done, and how I am going to calculate that work done? It is W equals to Fs. That is force and displacement. W equals to, and what is force here? I can write here according to second law of motion, force equals to ma. So according to second law of motion. So I can write here ma. And we know that according to third equation of motion, that is v square minus u square equals to 2as, or s equals to v square minus u square divided by 2a. So substitute the value of s here. So I can write here, it will become like this. V square minus u square divided by 2a. What I have done here? I have substituted the value of f, ma, and value of s, that is v square minus u square divided by 2a. So it will become like this. W equals to, a will get cancelled out. What remains here? M v square minus u square divided by 2. So W equals to m v square minus 0 square. Why so? Because initially body is at rest, so its initial velocity is 0. So I can write here W equals to mv square divided by 2. 0 ka square, that is 0. So W equals to, take 1 by 2 common, what will become here? mv square. So work has been done on this object, and this work got stored in it in the form of kinetic energy. So I can replace this W as kinetic energy. Why so? Because energy is being stored in it in the form of kinetic energy. So I can write here kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square. So this is the equation for kinetic energy. How we have derived this equation? Simple. We have taken a block of wood. On this block of wood, a force of F acts, which displaced it from point A to point B through a displacement of F. So work has been done by this force. Why so? Because this box has been displaced from point A to point B. So what is work done? That is W is equal to Fs. And what is F? According to second law of motion, F equals to ma. So I have substituted the value of F here. And according to third equation of motion, we know this thing. So I have substituted the value of S here. So I write here mv square minus u square divided by 2. A got cancelled out. So W equals to mv square minus 0 square, because initially the body is at rest, so its initial velocity is 0. So W equals to 1 mv square divided by 2. Take 1 by 2 common here. What remains there? 1 by 2 mv square. And this work has been stored in it in the form of kinetic energy. So I can write here in place of W, kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square. So what is m here? It is mass of an object, mass of an object. What is v? It is velocity of an object. So we have derived the equation for kinetic energy. I hope you have understood this thing. We will meet next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.